In fields of green, beneath the sky, where golden stalks of barley lie, they sway with grace, in winds they dance, a timeless, rhythmic, sunny trance. This humble grain has a legacy stretching back to ancient Egypt and the Greek Empire, and it's still packed with health benefits we can enjoy today. Barley has been cultivated for over 10,000 years, in the Fertile Crescent, along course of Nile River, where barley was one of the first crops cultivated by humans. Ancient Sumerians, Egyptians, and Greeks all prized barley as a staple food and medicinal plant. Ancient Egyptians used it to make bread, while the Greeks believed it gave their athletes strength and endurance. Their heads are crowned with amber hue, as morning light shines soft and true. Each grain a story, rich and deep, of harvests sown and promises to keep. Why was barley so popular with our ancestors? It turns out, they were onto something. Barley is not just a versatile grain, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, even recommended barley water as a health tonic. Its reputation as a grain of power spread through the ancient world, prized for its nutrition and energy. Roman gladiators were called hordearii, or barley men, because of how much barley they ate. These ancient warriors relied on barley's energy-boosting, strength properties before entering the arena. In ancient times, barley was highly valued not just as a food source, but also for its medicinal and healing properties. Here's how barley was used for healing in various ancient cultures. Ancient Egypt. The Egyptians recognized barley's therapeutic potential. Barley water was used as a digestive aid and to treat various gastrointestinal issues. Barley was considered a gift from the gods and was used in religious healing rituals. Ancient Greece and Rome. Greek and Roman physicians prescribed barley for various ailments, strengthening and restorative tonic, used to boost overall health and vitality. Fever reduction. Barley water was a common antipyretic. Traditional Chinese medicine. In TCM, barley has long been used for its healing properties. Barley water was used as a restorative and blood-purifying tonic. It was prescribed to clear heat, remove toxins, and tonify the spleen and stomach. TCM practitioners used barley to treat conditions like indigestion, constipation, and edema. Ancient Middle East. In Islamic medicine, barley was highly regarded. The Prophet Muhammad reportedly prescribed barley for many diseases. Barley water was used to treat fevers and inflammatory conditions. Celtic traditions. The Druids utilized barley in their healing practices. Barley grass juice was applied to heal wounds. It was also used as a magic potion to boost vitality during military campaigns. These ancient uses of barley for healing demonstrate its long-standing reputation as a medicinal plant. Many of these traditional applications have been supported by modern scientific research, confirming barley's nutritional and therapeutic value. With gentle hands, the farmer's care nurtures the earth, a love so rare. Through summer's heat and autumn's breeze, barley grows with humble ease. Let's look at the health benefits of barley. Barley is high in fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which can help lower cholesterol and improve heart health. It's also rich in vitamins and minerals, like vitamin B6, magnesium, and selenium, nutrients that support the immune system and promote overall wellness. Beta-glucan has another superpower: it can stabilize blood sugar. This is crucial for people with diabetes or anyone looking to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Here's a tip from ancient Greece that I still love: barley tea. It's calming and rich in antioxidants. Just sauté barley grains for 2 minutes, add hot water, and let it steep. This tea is known for supporting digestion and adding a cozy, nutty flavor to your day. Barley health benefits. Heart health hero. Barley's beta-glucan fiber helps lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. It's so effective that health organizations worldwide have approved heart health claims for barley. Blood sugar balancer. The fiber in barley slows digestion, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. This makes it an excellent choice for managing or preventing type 2 diabetes. Digestive dynamo. Barley's high fiber content feeds beneficial gut bacteria, improving digestion and potentially reducing inflammation throughout the body. Weight management wonder. Feeling full and satisfied is key for weight control, and barley's fiber helps you do just that. Cooking barley is easy, too. 1 cup of barley to 2 cups of water. Just simmer it for about 45 minutes until it's tender. And then you're ready to add it to any dish. For a quick tip, try it in a vegetable soup or a simple salad with fresh greens, avocados, radishes and a lemon vinaigrette. Delicious and nourishing. From hearty soups to refreshing teas, there are countless delicious ways to incorporate barley into your diet. Try swapping rice for barley in your next stir-fry, or start your day with a warming bowl of barley porridge. A few healthy and ancient barley recipes. Tisane, ancient Greek barley water. Tisane was a popular barley-based drink in ancient Greece, dating back to at least the 5th century BCE. This refreshing and nutritious beverage was consumed by both the healthy and the sick. Ingredients and preparation. 1 cup barley, 6 cups water, 1 tablespoon honey, fresh mint and/or oregano sprigs. Directions. To prepare pea tisane, bring water to a boil, add barley, and simmer for 20-25 minutes until cooked. The drink could be strained or unstrained, depending on preference. Tisana Barica, ancient Roman barley soup. This hearty soup was mentioned in the Roman cookbook, De Re Coquinaria, and combined barley with various legumes and herbs. Key components: barley, chickpeas, lentils, and peas. Various herbs: oregano, cilantro, dill, fennel, vegetables, leeks, chard, mallow, garum, fish sauce. The ingredients were cooked together, creating a nutritious and flavorful soup. Roasted barley and herb pilaf, Mesopotamian. This dish, based on a recipe from Yale Babylonian culinary importance of barley in Mesopotamian cuisine. Main ingredients: roasted barley, chopped shallots, arugula, and coriander, leeks and garlic. Spices: asafoetida, ground coriander. The barley was roasted, then cooked with herbs and vegetables to create a flavorful pilaf. From bread to teas, from grain to gold, its legacy is rich and old. A simple seed, yet so much more, a gift of nature, we adore. Now it is time for a funny dialogue between barley and rice. They are arguing who is a better grain. Barley. Puffing up, so, rice, I heard you think you're the main grain around here. Rice. Rolling its eyes. Well, it's true, I'm practically a global superstar. Sushi, risotto, paella, you name it. Everyone loves me. Barley. Peeved, popularity contest, huh? Just because people eat you more doesn't mean you're better. I'm the ancient grain here. I was fueling civilizations before you even sprouted. Rice. Oh, please. I'm literally the backbone of the food pyramid for over half the world. I'm kind of a big deal. Barley. Ever heard of my famous, ham-fried rice? Barley. Smirking, a big deal? Ever heard of fiber, rice? You're practically empty carbs. Look at that cat. I'm like, packed with fiber. You can't beat that for digestive health. Rice. Alright, Mr. Health Food. People barely know what to do with you. Stew, soup, some chewy salad, it's slim pickings. But me? I'm versatile. I can go savory or sweet, be fluffy or sticky. I'm even in sushi, for crying out loud. Or even rice pudding. Barley. Grinning, oh, I bet you'd be great with some broth and veggies. Maybe some mushrooms? Oh, wait, that's my thing. You stick to being bland and flavorless. Rice. Offended, bland? I absorb flavor. I become one with whatever I'm cooked with. You're just over here, floating around with that chewy texture, acting all rustic and hearty. Barley. Hey, hearty's in right now, besides, at least I don't have to be bleached to be liked. Rice. Mock gasp. Take that back. It's called versatility. And, excuse me, but I am also available in unbleached, brown, and wild varieties. Barley. Face it, rice. You may be flashy, but I've got the depth. Nutrition, fiber, ancient lineage. I'm practically the wise elder grain here. Rice. Rolls eyes, and I'm the celebrity. Maybe we're both pretty great. Just, in different dishes? Barley. Grudgingly, fine. But only if I get to sit on the top shelf tonight. Rice. Smirking, top shelf? Dream on, Grandpa Grain. Stay happy and grain healthy. I will see you in my next nutritious episode. Let us praise this humble crop, from morning dew to evening stop. For barley, in its quiet grace, is woven into time and place. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.